today's demo, I'm super excited to show you how we transformed one of the slowest parts of our sales process, writing custom proposals, into a lightning-fast AI-powered workflow. So let's dive in. If you do custom work inside your business and create custom proposals, you know how much that process can feel like a bottleneck. You want to make sure you're giving it the time that it needs and attention to detail, but at the same time, you don't want to waste hours upon hours to craft and send a proposal that at the end of the day might not get signed. So that's why we built a proposal builder directly into ClickUp powered by AI agents. It's also layered with ClickUp automations and totally tailored to our internal sales process. So let me give you a quick tour of what this looks like, and then I'll go through how it's powered by automations and AI agents. So here you can see this is a ClickUp list. When a lead books a sales call through a CRM, we have an outside integration through Zapier that then brings that lead into this pipeline in Sales Call Booked. It will then bring in the sales call date and bring in a couple pertinent custom fields like the primary contact name, their email, and their website. After the sales call is then where the magic happens, which I'll bring you through the process of generating the core workflows that we're going to pitch to the client, creating the proposal sections, then plugging it into our CRM and sending over the proposal. Now we have other regular automations in here as well. As you can see, we have 2 AI agents and 3 automations. So we have regular automations, as you can see here. Like for example, when the status changes to proposal review, it will reassign me with a due date of that day. That's an example of a basic automation. Now here's the difference and where agents beat out regular automations. Automations move information. They're amazing, totally necessary. But agents actually make decisions and generate outputs like magic. So from the beginning of my business, when I was spending hours crafting custom proposals, to then using ChatGPT in the recent years to help me craft custom proposals and definitely increase the speed, to now using AI agents, this is where I get a consistent, incredible output every single time and can easily delegate this process to my team. So now let's walk through the magic. So I have a sales call today, right? We use our AI note taker to take the notes. After the sales call, I'm going to come into here and I'm going to grab the transcript from that call. I'm going to go ahead and copy the transcript, go back to the proposal builder, and open up the task. From there, I'm going to paste the transcript into the description, and then I'm going to go ahead and move the status to generate workflows. Now my first AI agent is going to start running. Let me show you what that AI agent is set up to be. So if I click on this icon right here, this is going to be where my AI agent is. You can see I have 2 total active. So the first step that I want this AI agent to do is I want it to generate the core workflows that we're going to build for this lead. So you can see that we have the trigger, just like the different triggers in regular automations, and then we have to give the agent instructions. Now, if you're brand new to AI agents, it's super helpful to be able to ask Brain to help you generate the agent instructions for you as you're getting into it, right? So it's like, okay, let's work together to configure this. What are you trying to accomplish? You can then comment back and forth with it, and then it can help you generate instructions. From here, you'll not only use this to generate these instructions, but you can also have it search workspace data. So if you have different documentation and SOPs, it will pull from those places as well to feed into the agent. And then you can add different tools like having it manage tasks, create docs, write stand-ups, generate images, a bunch of different things that are super powerful. In the next agent, I'm going to show you how it creates a doc. So now let's go back to our task and see if it's gone ahead and created our workflows. And it has. So now you can see that from the sales call transcript, it has now given me the list of different workflows that we're going to build for this client. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and copy and paste this information into a custom field within the task. From here, I also had this do another automation from ClickUp Automations to Zapier, our outside integration tool, where it then generated a proposal calculator for us. This is a whole other thing where we have a proposal calculator where we can then take these individual workflows and then scope them, right? So I'm going to go in here, I'm going to put the name, I'm going to put the complexity, and then it's going to give me a proposal total. So this makes my life a lot easier. It definitely saves me a ton of time that we've standardized this proposal process. And then once I have that total number, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put it in here. After I have the proposal amount, I have my core workflows. I'm going to go back up to the task. I'm going to move this to generate proposal sections. From here, my second agent is going to run, where now I have the standardized process for the different proposal sections that we want to generate. So from here, you'll see when the status changes, then here are the instructions, and this one is quite a bit more in depth because I'm generating a standard proposal. Now, when I was using this with ChatGPT, I would constantly have to prompt it. I would have inconsistent outputs. And once I decide to bring this into agents, I get the same stellar output every single time. I then have it create a doc at the bottom of the task with this create docs and pages. So then I'll show you what that looks like. So now once that's done and I scroll to the bottom of this doc, you're going to see that now I have a document created by the AI agent called Signs Global Proposal Copy Doc. From here, it's now generated all the sections of the proposal that I need. The welcome message, the scope and timeline, objectives, etc. Pretty mind-blowing if you ask me. So now this is where it gets custom to your process. We have a CRM where we then take this copy and we drop it into a proposal template in our CRM, and then we send it over. You might drop this into another proposal builder tool or a Canva PDF. But as you can see, I'm obviously going to proofread this, make sure it all looks good, but with the use of the AI agents, it honestly has worked seamlessly every time. So after I go ahead and I drop this into whatever proposal format I want, I'll go ahead and I'll move this to proposal review. If someone needs to review it, they'll then move it to ready to send. It'll go back to me or whoever's sending it, and then I'll move it to proposal sent. After it goes to proposal sent, I have an automation running that lets me know the date that it was sent. It will set it as today. And then I have a nice pipeline that I can follow up with my active leads. So now instead of writing the same doc 10 different ways, our team can generate polished custom proposals in minutes and spend more time actually closing. The client now receives a beautiful, branded, and accurate proposal that reflects their exact needs for the project. The team has visibility on where every deal is in the pipeline, and the sales rep feels confident using AI without losing that personal touch. So that's a peek inside our AI-powered proposal builder, and hopefully a little inspiration for you on what is possible with ClickUp AI agents. So if you want help building custom workflows like this for your business, our team specializes in ClickUp builds that blend strategy, automation, and AI, tailored to how you and your team actually work. So if you're ready to streamline your operations, scale your team, or stop duct taping tools together, book a free consult with our team here so we can map out your next smart system together.